everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be changing out the headlight bulb on my 2015 Chevy Tahoe. This is the H11 bulb, and we'll be doing a driver's side bulb. So I thought I'll throw together a quick how-to for anyone who may need it. And please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I have a lot of videos out there working on my Chevy Tahoe. A lot of things that may assist you with yours, a lot of the common issues. But for now, let's get into changing out this bulb. All right, so changing out the bulb on the driver's side is a really easy one. So once you pop the hood, you're on the driver's side of the car. You just need to come back in here, and you see that right there? That is what you will need to open up right there. Let me get up in there. Just tearing that off right there. It'll come out, as you can see, quite easy. No tools required. Then you just reach in, turn it. I'm gonna turn it this way. All right, turn it this way. I'm gonna grab the bulb, and the body of the bulb that is, and turn it this way to unhook it. There we go. And there's the bulb there. Let's change this bulb. See that little tab back there? You just press down, which will release it. And then you just slide it out. And then you take your new bulb and never touch the bulb itself. You get into your body oils on there, you know, your natural oils from your body, from your fingers on there, fingerprints. It will create hot spots on the bulb and result in the bulb life expectancy being cut short. So if you do touch it, take some rubbing alcohol and clean it off. Put it back in. Now we want to test it before we put it in, just to make sure it is working. All right, as you can see, the bulb is working. So we'll turn it back off before we put the bulb in. So now, with the bulb off, we'll take it. And you see the hole right there. We're just gonna put it in. And you see I'm going on a slight angle there to get it set in there, and then twist downward to lock it in. And there it is. Now put that back in. Now you probably won't have this right here. Mine ended up having a burnt spot on there for some odd reason in the plug, so I ended up replacing it, and that's why that's there. And replace the cord that is. We'll put that back on, tighten it up. And we'll do one last final check. Now let the bulb back in, just to make sure we actually do have headlights. Turn it on, come around to the front. And hard to see in the daytime, but just like the bulb is on over here, we have the bulb on over there. So that's how you change out your driver's side headlight bulb on a 2015 plus Chevy Tahoe. Thanks for joining.